Alright, hello superstars and my friends, this is Mark Gray from TWIM, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can manipulate Google and index your website, okay? Or index your website post. Now I'm going to start with a very quick example, okay, of money that I made doing this exact method. Now I'll be honest, it's got harder over the years, but I'm going to talk you through this and you will be able to index and hopefully rank your new posts. Alright, let me jump to my screen. Now obviously keyword research comes into this a lot, okay? If you're to make a post that says how to make money online, very unlikely unless you have done a lot of SEO work, backlinking, on-page SEO, that you're going to rank for that, how to make money online, because lots of people are trying to do that. Now what I will do in one of my next videos is I'm going to show you how to create the perfect on-page SEO optimized post. Alright, I see so many people not doing it, using too many images, using not enough images, not using H1, H2, H3 tags, not using the keyword the right amount of time or too many times. So I'm going to make a video on that next, so watch out for that, okay? And actually I have made a video on how to do Google, like keyword research. I even do it with a case study, okay? So I'll put that up the top somewhere, and if not, it'll be down below, okay? So check that out. It's a really good video. Anyway, so this product come out, not taught at school, university review, and I wanted to rank for this, okay? So I did a very carefully optimized SEO post with perfect on-page SEO. And at the time there was a lot of people trying to rank for this, okay? So I had to be quite quick, and I had to outrank everybody, which is what I did, okay? So I'm just going to search for it here. Now never mind the video at the top, that is my video, but this is the main thing. Not taught at school, university review, okay? So because of the work I put into the on-page SEO, I was ranking, just below the videos perfectly. Now you can see I'm ranking above Quora, I'm ranking above the actual product, I'm ranking above Instagram and Reddit, which is pretty, and Facebook, which is quite hard to do these days. Anyway, so from that post, I'll just click it, open it up. You'll see how fast it loads. That's another thing that I'll make in another video. Speed is so important when you're trying to rank, okay? It's crucial. Anyway, from that post, I made in total $1,792. And I still make sales of this product regularly, okay? So just from doing good on-page SEO and manipulating Google using Google Search Console, I was able to rank and make that much money. It's not a lot of money, but I still make money from this, all right? That's the point. So this is one of my latest posts that I've put together. It is not a review, okay? Now at the very end there is actually a product that you can buy if you're interested on learning how to launch a digital product. So the whole article is not about selling that product's just at the end. The whole product is about a product launch strategy, full case study, where I show a full case study. Now the reason I'm showing you this is because I've not actually went and indexed this. Now when I'm going to promote a digital product that's coming out, if a digital product's coming out, I'm going to try to get my review up very quickly so that I'm at the top of Google, so that I can make money from that post. But in this case, this is a long-term post, so I'm not really bothered. So let's have a look. Oh, that's another thing. Now you don't want to do what I'm about to show you very often, which is use the URL inspection tool. But what you do want to do is share it to Facebook. If you have any Facebook pages, and I have about 15 very, very, very old Facebook pages, and I post to all of them. Every single one. It's a bit monotonous. I used to use a software. Probably could still use a software actually. I just haven't logged in a while. I don't post to Twitter, but I do post to LinkedIn. I do post to Reddit. I do post to Twitter. Actually, that's wrong. Twitter and X are the same thing now, aren't they? Anyway, I post to Tumblr and I post to Pinterest. Now, what they're doing is they're giving me social media backlinks, all right? Now, what I always do is as soon as I create a new post, I'm like, great, okay, it's done. I can now go and do this. And what you do is you log into Google Search Console, okay? Very easy, Google Search Console. Now, by the time you log in here, you need to have verified your domain, all right? If you don't know how to do that, leave a comment below and I'll make a video showing you how to. It's very, very easy. And then you scroll down and you go to URL inspection. Now, I'm going to put this new URL in and I'm going to click search. Okay, hopefully you can see that. Now, it's not on Google. Okay, so this is important that I do this. So I'm going to click test live URL. Now, while this is going on, I'll just say those social media platforms that I shared to, they are now backlinks to this post, the one that we're testing live right now. So they are like they are backlinks, okay? Maybe not the most powerful ones, but these days social media backlinks are becoming more and more powerful, but that's a whole different topic. Okay, so now what I want to do is I don't want to just click request indexing, okay? If you can see that, yeah. I don't want to click that right now. I want to view the page, because if the page is all upside down, twisted, a mess, then I'm going to go in and fix it. Okay, good. Right, so this is now ready. So you can see the page availability is there. Google has discovered that yes, there is a video. There is one valid breadcrumb, and the site link search box, one valid item detected. That's all really, really good. Okay, now here I'm just going to click request indexing. Now when you're doing, okay, indexing requested, and it's just saying that the URL has been added to the Google crawl queue, and if we didn't do this, it could take months, 3, 4, 5, 6 months before Google comes to our website, finds the post and starts to index it, which is why this is so important to do. Now, one thing as well is do not do this multiple times, all right? Only do this if you have built, maybe like 2 weeks later, you've built a lot of backlinks to this post, okay? The post or the review, whatever you want to call it. If you've built a lot of backlinks to it, for example, you've changed the actual structure of the page, then you can come back and you can use the URL inspection tool to get Google to come back to your post and to crawl your post again. And the thing is, Google might find something new, especially if you've created backlinks or you have optimized your post more. And like I said, be sure that it looks good. Now, just let me show you exactly what I mean. So you can see that this looks exactly the same way that it would on my website. Another little thing that you need to know, guys, when Google crawl your website, they used to use these, let's call them, they are called spiders, but I always imagine these little spiders like from the Matrix coming to crawl my post. Now they used to come and they used to crawl the desktop version of your post. Now they don't, okay? They crawl the mobile version of your post. So if your website or post or page is not fully optimized for a mobile phone, then you might as well not even try to get ranked. You have to be mobile optimized now, okay? That is crucial, okay? And that's how you can manipulate and get indexed a lot faster. And to me, it makes a lot of sense to do that. Guys, if you have any questions, stick them below. I'm happy to keep making these videos if they're helping you out. Leave a comment to let me know that you got something from it. And, you know, a like and a subscribe for more is always appreciated. I will see you in the next one, guys. Thanks for watching.